Greetings to my dear parents and students of Boys Town Prep section. After a very difficult and trying year, we have managed to sail through with perseverance and determination of my dear teachers. Of course, this would not have been possible without the unstinted support and guidance of our Honorable Trustee, Mr. Naval Mehta. Parents, your encouragement and valuable suggestions have truly helped us to tide over these very turbulent times. With a true team effort, we have managed to come through successfully and to live up to the image of Boys Town. My teachers strived to forge ahead and improve by having group discussions and brainstorming to find innovative ways to improve and optimize the new methods of teaching. Our live interactive sessions are made very absorbing by regularly supplementing them with various activities and events. Maximum care is taken to see that the interest of the pupil is not lost. Our system of individual evaluation, weekly tests have greatly helped in the progress of each pupil. Care is taken of students who need more attention. Believe me, this itself was a mammoth task for my teachers, which they have executed so well. 3 cheers to them. Now, I would like to introduce to you the events and activities held in the pre-primary section in the first term of the academic year 21-22 through this chronicle.
Let's have a recap of the activities in the month of June and July, which marked the beginning of new academic year. After a long summer break, our kids were excited and eager to reconnect with their dear school, although online. As usual, they were welcomed with great enthusiasm with a welcome party. There was an exciting magic show conducted by the teachers, a welcome song, action and dance song, cartoons and puppet show. Tiny Tots also enjoyed making kurkure bhel and were totally blown with the bubble making activity using different circular objects like bangles and rings. On Yoga Day, we stressed the importance of keeping fit, a healthy mind in a healthy body. They were taught simple yoga exercises and our little ones followed the instructions with great enthusiasm. International Yoga Day was thus celebrated on 21st of June. 5th July was celebrated as Environment Day. It is imperative that every individual should learn the need of the hour. Save our environment, save our planet. The best time to stress the importance is when the child is young. Our tiny dots were taught to grow more saplings at home. Children also joyfully participated in salad making competitions and also coloring activities. The holy festival of Eid was also celebrated with gaiety. The tiny tots were taught to make lovely hangings and decorative cards. They enjoyed making lovely sweet treats and then, of course, having them. The children paid their respects to their parents, teachers, grandparents, aunts, and uncles on the occasion of Guru Purnima.
The month of August is in the midst of our rainy season. We conducted a special day dedicated to the rains. Props were used to create a rainy day scene. We also had some activity sheets as well as craft work to celebrate the rainy season. There was also an aquarium day. The children were made aware of the life in the water and the wealth of the oceans. They celebrated with a song.
All my friends and teachers. I am V.Y. Bhushan Gujar. I am Indian. India got independent on 15 August 1947. Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem. Vande Mataram is our national song.
Independence Day was celebrated with great patriotism. There was a lovely speech for the occasion. Craft work to commemorate the occasion was organized. The children also enjoyed making treats with flameless cooking. Raksha Bandhan was celebrated with Rakhi making and also tying of Rakhis to the wrist of one another. The importance of the hygiene cannot be more stressed than in this day and age. The tiny tots were taught the importance of developing the good habits of repeated hand wash and sanitization.
In September, the birth of Lord Krishna was celebrated with lot of zeal. Janmashtami was celebrated with our dear little ones dressed as Krishna and Radha. They really enjoyed the celebration. They eagerly participated in making biscuit sandwiches and also thoroughly enjoyed doing beautiful craft work. Teachers' Day is celebrated every year on 5th September to remember our great teacher, Dr. Radha Krishnan. Our tiny tots very enthusiastically greeted their dear teachers by sending heartwarming greetings and messages.
Wish you all very happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
Our teachers were really overwhelmed by their warm wishes. Games were organized for the teachers, which were fun and hilarious too. The teachers also participated in Garba dance. Their participation in these events was really a pleasure to watch. Teachers also gave chocolates to one another. Our dear principal, Mrs. Swati Wagale ma'am, was also presented a lovely bouquet to celebrate the occasion. Vegetable Day was a fun plus learning day. They learned names of different types of vegetables. They also had a lovely time in their craft activity of making peas in a pot. The day ended with them making tasty corn chut and gossiping on it. We also celebrated the festival of our beloved elephant god, Lord Ganesha. This was celebrated with great pomp and zest. We conducted many competitions and activities for all three standards of prep section. We were delighted to see the response from all the tiny tots. There was clay modeling competition for the students of all the three levels. Garland making competition was specially held for students of the junior KG and senior KG. These children were also given the task of decorating the face of Lord Ganesha on paper. They managed to come up with some great ideas and innovations using simple articles like seeds, beads, etc. In the same month, we also had a fruit day, using a basket filled with an array of different real fruits. Children learned to identify the different fruits available. We also had an apple making activity in paper craft. We also had a special day dedicated to shapes. We used the different parts of the body of a clown figure to help identify shapes like square, rectangle, triangle and circle. It was really a fun learning activity.
We started the month with Birds Day. This helped the children to learn to identify the different kinds of birds in a fun way. There was also a craft cum coloring activity, penguin as the subject. October also being the month of festivals, we started with Navratri celebrations with zeal and excitement. 8th October to 14th October were chalked out as food festivals for making different mouth-watering dishes. All the kids really looked forward to each day and enjoyed thoroughly. We also had a special day for Navratri dance. Our tiny tots dressed up in their funnery and enthusiastically participated. It was a grand success. We had also organized coloring activity for the occasion. It was now time for Diwali celebration, the festival of lights. There was a lineup of many activities for an action-packed celebration. There was candle making.
Happy Diwali, teachers!
Children also enjoyed themselves with sparklers, an essential feature in Diwali celebration. This was of course under the supervision of elders. To hone their skills in creativity and art, there were many other activities like Diwali card making, decorating diyas, etc. Competitions were also held for rangoli creations and for coloring. All in all, it was a grand celebration just before the Diwali vacation. Keeping the tiny tots engrossed and interested throughout the entire online session is a big challenge. In order to achieve the goal, our teachers set out on the path of self-improvement by having frequent discussions and debates on new teaching methods and strategies. Special training sessions were also held under honorable experts like Mrs. Shivani Acharya and Mrs. Mamta Bal Subramaniam.
With things gradually coming back to normal, the horizon appears brighter. With a hope in our heart and prayer on our lips for a year to get better and better day by day. We soon hope we will be able to start with the physical classes and meet our dear students. The school misses you. Thank you, dear parents, for your support throughout. Special thanks to our Honorable Trustee, Mr. Naval Mehta, my staff, and my dear students.